Good morning everyone. Good morning. Welcome to your class 2 science class. Good morning. I'm fine Debushmita and everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. I'm fine. Yes. Yes, good morning again. So let's start your science class. Previous day we discussed on food for good health. Right? Food for good health. We discussed it. So let me know, have you any problem, anything you didn't understand from this chapter food for good health? Because you know the 8th chapter and 9th chapter will be held on your PT2 exam, that food for good health and air around us. So previous day in your online class we discussed on food for good health. So today we will discuss on the air around us. Ashmit, how many times you asked about the syllabus? I replied it many times, but till now today you asked me. You asked me on ePortal chat box, there I answered it, but you didn't see it, I think. The chat and today, previous day, I told it many times. That's 8th chapter food for good health and 9th chapter air around us. Yes, only these two chapters will be held on your PT2 exam. Very good, Lisa. Your science project is completed and you have to complete the other project also. Yes, it's 8 and 9 chapter. 8 and 9, food for good health and air around us. So, food for good health from this chapter. Have you any problem? Let me know fast. Have you any problem from the chapter food for good health? No. Okay. Okay, so today we will start the air around us. The revision of air around us. So from this chapter I will ask some questions and you have to answer me. Okay, Riddhi. Okay, Lisa. Now take your copybook with you. Take your copybook with you. All living things need air to dash. All living things need air to dash. Yes, Ayush, exam is coming and you get the syllabus. Who unmute it? Don't unmute. Kritika, mute your microphone. Yes. Very good, Avirup. And others who gave the answer. Now give me answer of those questions which is on the board, and you can copy it in your copy book also. So all living things need air to breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. And live is also correct answer. Okay. So I am right here. Breathe. All living things need air to breathe. Okay.
Leave also. Ma'am, leave also.
Yes, leave also. Who unmute it? Use your chat box only. Okay, Didi, you can see after this post which I post on the YouTube today. So after post you can see the video again. Next question is, moving air is called dash. Moving air is called dash. Give me answer everyone. Very good Debushmita, Ashmi, Ashmit, Ankita. Very good. Everyone, that is wind. That is wind. Very good. So moving air is called wind. Next, slow wind is called dash. Slow wind is called dash. Very good. It's breeze. It's breeze. Slow wind is called breeze. Next, question number 4. Strong and fast wind is called dash. Strong and fast wind is called dash.
Ma'am, side please.
I am already inside. Yes, very good. So that is storm. S-T-O-R-M. So strong and fast wind is called storm. Did you copy it at your copybook? I have to erase it now. I am now erasing it, okay? Yes. Question 5. We take dash when we breathe. We take dash when we breathe.
Can I see you?
No, you have to tell me which gas. Which gas? We take dash gas when we breathe. Which gas we take? Yes, very good Debopriya, Ayush, Ankita. That is oxygen. Very good.
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Can you see me now?
Ma'am, I cannot
Yes, there
see
is
you.
the lack of light. So
Ma'am, lights are
listen
off.
my word. First listen my word and give me answer. Okay? Listen my word and give me answer. So we take dash gas when we breathe. We take dash gas when we breathe. Yes, Debopriya, it's power cut. If you listen, if you heard me, then heard my questions, hear it attentively and give me answer, okay? Next, question number 6. When we sneeze, we have to use dash. When we sneeze, we have to use dash. Which things we have to use? You know, when we sneeze, I already told it many times. Yes, very good, Deboshmita. So when we sneeze, we have to use handkerchief. Very good. Handkerchief. When we sneeze, we have to use handkerchief. Very good. Very good, everyone. Next question. If we breathe impure air, we fall dash. If we breathe impure air, we fall dash. Give me answer. Yes, very good. Very good. It's ill or sick. Ill or sick. So if we breathe impure air, we fall sick. We fall ill. Okay? Yes, very good, everyone. Now I am erasing on question number 5. And it's 8. And that is, we must breathe dash and dash air. We must breathe dash and dash air. We must breathe dash and dash air. Very good. Clean and fresh. Everyone give me answer. It's clean and fresh. Clean and fresh. Very good. Moving dash give out smoke. Give out smoke. Moving dash give out smoke. Moving dash give out smoke. Is it only cars? Yes. Very good, Ankita. Arpon, is it only car? It's vehicles. It's vehicles. Not only cars, not only buses, cars, buses, scooters, bikes, every vehicles, lorry. So those all are we call vehicle. Vehicle. Okay. So moving vehicles move out, give out smoke. Vehicles. vehicles. Check the spelling. vehicles. Vehicles. Okay. And you have to know that plants make the air clean and fresh. We should grow more green plant around us. We should grow more green plant around us. And here is one important question that you have to know and you have to remember, that plants give out dash while making their food. So which gases plants give out while making their food? Which gas? Debopriya, take the charger with the phone and then do your class. Plants give out dash while making their, very good Ayush, while making their food. Which gas plants give out? Do you know the meaning of give out? As we take oxygen when we take breath, but we give out carbon dioxide, right? We give out, that means from the body we give out the oxygen, that we give out carbon dioxide, but plants give out oxygen. We give out carbon dioxide, but plants give out oxygen. Plants is opposite. So plants give out oxygen while they making their food, not breathing time, while making their food. So these things you have to remember very attentively, that plants give out oxygen while making their food, okay. This is very, very important. You can get this type of questions in your exam. So you have to read these two chapters very, very attentively, okay. And this exercise part also so important. And if you have any kind of problem you face, you can ask me in portal. And today you can ask me if you have any question from these two chapters. Have you any question? Have you anything? You understand everything? Very good. And these things that don't cover your face while sleeping, and we should keep doors and windows open to let the fresh air come in. And we should play in the park and in open ground, because there we can get the fresh air. You know, we should take fresh and clean air while breathing. That's why we should play in the park or in the open ground, okay. So these things you have to read very, very attentively. And if you have any problem, you have to ask me in the portal chat box also. And best wishes for your exam, everyone. And that's all. Have a nice day. And who are present in the class, please write here P. Okay.